Can you remove the nut in the arrow and keep the arrow intact? This looks like an impossible challenge. I have been collecting this puzzle for at least 3 years, and I still don't know how to solve it. It is said to have originated in Japan in 1884. Almost everyone will think so when they see it for the first time. The nut will be blocked by the 2 arrows, no matter if it moves up or down. If you look carefully at the ends of the arrows, you won't find any mechanisms or gaps. And the nut is a real, solid one, so you can't separate it. The only solution I can think of now is to use centrifugal force. But even if you do that, the nut still won't come out of the arrow. Many people will be as confused as I am when they see this. First, how did it get in there in the first place? And second, what method should we use to get the nut out? Please, give me some helpful suggestions. Can you move the coin to the exit on the other side? This famous puzzle is inspired by the Tower of Hanoi from 1883. As you can see, each slider has a corresponding position. The top one can only move in the first column, and the second slider can only move in the second column. You first need to move the coin to the right groove, and then move the slider to the left to restore it, so that the coin can be taken out. Let me demonstrate the correct method. First, you need to know that the coin is the smallest, and that the coin in the first column can only be moved in the first column. Now we can easily take out the coin. Do you like this puzzle? If you can figure out how to remove 2 nails in a few seconds, you must be a genius. These are not just any 2 nails, but in fact an IQ test question with a history of over 300 years. At first, you may think it's very simple. Can't you just take them out by rotating and bending them? But after you try, you will find that this method simply cannot separate the 2 nails. No matter which angle you rotate from, it seems that the cap will get in the way. People with quick thinking will quickly notice that there are some gaps in the middle of the 2 nails. Can you pass through these positions? Obviously, this is also in vain, and many people will give up at this point, thinking that this challenge is not a real puzzle. Please look carefully. The key to solving the puzzle is whether you can think independently. Place one of the nails in your left hand, and then use your right hand to rotate the nail 360 degrees. In this way, the 2 nails are successfully separated. Can we have a round of applause?